just think of Apple Pay or Alipay.
One reason for all of this investment, consumers are adopting fintech fast. 1 out of every 3 people across 20 major economies report using at least 2 fintech services in the last 6 months. China and India are leading the way, with more than half of consumers using services like money transfers, financial planning, borrowing, and insurance.
Financial technology has filled a void for people around the world who don't have access to traditional banking services. In fact, it's estimated nearly 2 billion people worldwide are without bank accounts. Now, thanks to fintech, all you need is your phone to take out a loan.
All right. As you can see, we use AI, which is artificial intelligence, to be able to provide the best services in the market. We have state-of-the-art information to help people build. But today, we're not going to talk about that. I just wanted to point that out to you. If you're wondering what makes us the best, that's what makes us the best, because we use technology to bring to you not just amazing information, but also our clients are getting results. Let's go over it real quick. In less than 6 minutes, I'll cover with you 6 steps, okay? 6 easy tips to help you raise your credit scores, okay? So we always provide you with information. So raising your credit scores, guys, it's not that difficult. It's not at all. As a matter of fact, it's easier than you might even think, okay? So, excuse me. So by you applying those 6 easy steps I'm about to share with you, take notes. By you applying those easy steps, you will see how you can raise your credit scores in just as little as about 6 weeks. In 6 weeks to 6 months, you can have an amazing credit scores without having to pay anybody. You don't have to pay people to help you with your credit score. Oftentimes, let's say it this way, oftentimes all you need to have is information. You need to have the right information so you can make the right decision to help you get to where you want to get. All right, so let's get right into it. Establishing a good credit score isn't complex at all, guys. It's not a complex process. However, sometimes you need a professional. Sometimes you need someone like me who is the credit rehab nurse. Sometimes you do need that. But for the most part, oftentimes it's just something you yourself can do all by yourself. Now, thank God, our company, we use AI, which is artificial intelligence, where you get to do it yourself. Because let's put it that way, guys. It's not enough for somebody to hand you or give you a fish every day. It's very important that somebody teach you how to fish so that you can always have fish. Do we agree? So what we do, we don't just help fix your credit. We don't just fix it for you. We empower you by giving you information. And also we give you the system, the software, so that teaches you how to do it. And also it helps you to, educate yourself in the process. Okay. So let's get right into the 6 steps. Step number 1. Step number 1 is make your payments on time. You guys probably hear me say that all the time. Make your on-time payments. Now, why is it so important to make on-time payments? Why is that? It's extremely important to make on-time payments because your credit score, you have 5 components that determine your credit scores. And one of them, 35% of that is making on-time payments. So one late payment can drop your scores significantly. So if you don't remember anything I told you today, make your payments on time. As a matter of fact, pay before time. Pay your cards, whatever you have, pay them before the due date. Okay, very important. If you can't remember to make your payments on time, set up an alarm on your phone. Set up an alarm with the calendar when it's due, and then set up that payment 3 days before it's due. Number 1. Now, number 2, set up auto pay or calendar reminders. So if you forget number 1, make sure you remember number 2, which is set up your calendar so that you can have that auto pay taken out. Auto pay, you don't even think about. Just make sure you have the money in your bank account and they will take it automatically. That's one less thing for you to worry about if you have it on auto pay. Step number 3, very important. Don't open too many accounts at once. Do not open too many accounts at once, simply because if you do that, it will lower your scores by 10%. Don't do it, because banks and lenders, they look at it as, oh, this person has so many inquiries. They are credit hungry. Don't do that. It will hurt you. Okay. It will hurt you. So all that means is, when you go to the stores, if you go to the department stores and they say, hey, Joe, do you want to apply for a credit card? Say, no, thank you, I'm good. Okay. If you want a good credit card to apply for, which is like a secured card or something that can help build your credit, you can DM me and I'll recommend some good ones to you. Okay. Step number 4, get credit for paying monthly utility and cell phone bills on time. Get credit for it, guys, because if you pay late, they report it, right? It affects you. Why not get credit for paying on time, making on time payments? Guys, you guys know I swear by that. Experian Boost is the way. Guys, second thing out of everything I say, if you don't remember anything, Experian Boost is the way to go. Okay, Experian Boost is the way to go. I will put it in the chat. If anybody want to know more about Experian Boost, this builds your, it helps increase your scores instantly. So what it does, if you guys want to know more, I'll have a webinar. I will have a live just on how Experian Boost works. Okay, so all it does is it goes to your bank payment history. And if you made your rental payments on time, if you have any kind of bills, like if you have anything like Netflix, your phone bills, all those things, the system scans it down and they give you credit for making on-time payments. I've had clients that get instant boost of 49 points instantly. It takes about 5 minutes. So that's one thing. You don't need credit repair to do that. Okay. You do not need credit repair. So it's very amazing. All right. Step 5 is request a credit report and dispute any credit report's error. If you have any errors on your credit report, dispute them. Now, there's a way you can get free credit report of all 3 of your credit, of all 3 of the credit bureaus. It's through the annualcreditreport.com. You can go there and get free credit report. However, it does not report your scores, but it's free. Everybody's entitled of getting 1 free annual credit report a year. And since the pandemic, since 2020, all bureaus, they have been giving people free credit report at least once every 7 days. So this is amazing, guys. Why go without knowing what's on your credit? That's a no. That's why so many people are in trouble, because they don't check, they don't know exactly what's in the report. Okay, very, very important. I'll put that in the link. And last not least, pay attention to your credit utilization rate. Meaning, if you have any type of credit, like let's say credit cards, because it's easier, pay attention. Okay, because people don't pay attention. Oftentimes, that's why they get in trouble. So pay attention to what's on your credit, okay? I mean, to your credit utilization, which stands for CUR, which is credit utilization rate. Meaning, if you have $1,000 credit limit, do not use more than 30% of it. Don't ever use more than 30% of your credit limit, because it will affect your credit rate. It will drop your credit scores as well. Okay, it will drop it down to 10%. So do not do that, because it will drop your scores. So 6 tips I shared with you guys. If you forget any of what I said, please, if you don't remember all 6 of them, please remember, pay your bills on time. Also check your credit. Get a free credit report. If you need the link, DM me. Okay, DM me, or you can call or text. Okay, and last not least, guys, be amazing, be great. Pay attention. It's your credit, right? It's your credit score. Pay attention. You don't want to wait until you need it for you to pay attention, but pay attention regularly, because a lot of people got their identity stolen. They don't even know it until years later or months later. That's when they found out somebody had, purchased homes, purchased cars on their credit. All right, guys, this is all I'm gonna give you guys for today. Stay tuned. Let's meet again on Thursday on Credit Tips Thursday with Coach Ceranise, the one and only credit rehab nurse. Okay, so I did promise you guys I'm gonna put the credit, the Experian boost in the chat. It's free, y'all. It is absolutely free. In this life, especially in America, in this life, guys, you don't get too many things for free. You do not get too many things for free. But a few things you get for free, and one of them is your credit boost. Okay? And this is my gift to you. Go ahead and apply it today. If you like it, let me know. Share with everybody. Okay, just share it if you like it, because it will. If you make any kind of online payments, you will see a change. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right here in the chat. You guys can definitely click on it, and it will help you. Okay, it's your girl, Coach Ceranise, the one and only credit rehab nurse, coming live to you in the beautiful state of Texas. I'm checking in, checking out. Be blessed. Stay safe, you guys. See y'all.